what is a capital receipt? Money received by the government. Any money that the government receives which is on account of reduction of assets or increase in liabilities. सरकार के asset कम हो रहे हैं या फिर और सरकार की liability बढ़ रही है. That is a capital receipt. Versus expenditure. Government is spending some money. Any money that the government spends that results in addition to, that results in creation of assets or reduction of liabilities, that is a capital expenditure. याद हो गया है? भूल जाओगे एग्जाम में, याद कर लो इसीलिए. ठीक है? Let's take examples and then try to memorize it forever. Government borrows money. सरकार borrow कैसे करती है पैसा? Bonds, issuing bonds. Government of India issues bonds and borrows money. When government borrows money, money is being received by the government or spent by the government? Received. तो ये receipt है या फिर expenditure है? Receipt. It is a receipt of the government. What kind of receipt is it? When government is borrowing money, सरकार जब borrow कर रही है, क्या सरकार का कोई asset कम हो रहा है? When government is borrowing money, is asset of the government reducing? No. Is liability of the government increasing? Government of India has lent money. सरकार ने लोन दिया है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ यूपी को. Government of India has given a loan to government of UP. From government of India's perspective बात कर रहे हैं. Indian government is spending money or is receiving money? Spending money. It's an expenditure. This expenditure results in creation of an asset, yes or no? Which asset? A financial asset in the form of a loan. बैंक ने आपको लोन दिया तो बैंक का एसेट बन रहा है. सरकार ने किसी को लोन दिया, सरकार का एसेट बन रहा है, फाइनेंशियल एसेट बन रहा है. सो गवर्नमेंट स्पेंड्स मनी, दैट मनी इज रिजल्टिंग इन क्रिएशन ऑफ गवर्नमेंट्स एसेट्स. कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर, रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर. Capital or revenue? Capital expenditure results in creation of assets. Government spends money, money results in creation of assets. It's a capital expenditure. Is this clear?